this September day.
Well done, Joe McDonough.
So Joe McDonough, GA President, presents Sam Maguire to Graham Geraghty and neither the football champions.
Joe McDonough was a brilliant hurler. He was an all-star. He captained Galway in All-Ireland finals. He won Fitzgibbons with UCG. He won an All-Ireland under-21 with Galway. Captained Ballinderry in his beloved club to a county final. And left his mark as never before, obviously, on the steps of Croke Park in 1980 by singing that amazing song, The West's Awake. Vi brought an Hoilgeike. Níor lámardeach gailge le chéile díobh, hí an bhirteag an tógiú muid sa ngaltach, ní sa ngéiltach, achas Connemara ar dismóthirí, agus gailge gcónaí leabhar muid le chéile, agus hí rud specialta faoi mar a Ghaeilgeoir. He taught for 17 years, he headed up Forest na Gaeilge, he headed up various vocational committees, finished up in his world of the GA as president of the GA, the number one sports person in Ireland. If Joe could leave a legacy, I don't know of a better legacy than Fondúireacht Joe McDonncha.
Tá sé fíorthábhacht go ngeanamid cíomhne go Joe or Sheosaimh Mhic Dhonncha. Many people that I meet in clubs want to do something to promote the Irish language, but they're not too sure. They're a little uncertain what they should do, how much they should do. So this is simply to give a little bit of direction. Many people will find that through the Learning Ale partnership that we have, they'll be able to get advice and they'll be able to get simple tips on how to best promote the language within their own clubs. Is cúis froin duine go bhfuil Joe ar lína férinne. Agus mai an rud é go mbeidh cíomhne go Joe ar a ainm as tríd an Fondúireacht seo.
Clubs registered with Fondúireacht Sheosaimh Mhic Dhonncha will receive advice and assistance as they choose from a list of recommended initiatives to create their own language promotion plan.
Clubs can also apply to the Foundation for a Joantas or grant to help implement their plans.
The Joe McDonough Medal or Airgid nó Craoua will be awarded to the clubs according to their level of achievement in fulfilling their ambitions. The Foundation simplifies the process of planning, funding and implementing the revival of the Irish language in your club.
Níl éireacht, níl tád a déit an crímeanúir a bheith mar hampla agus go Joe McDonncha agus a híl ná Fondúireacht Joe McDonncha.
Glórig leis an Bhondúireacht anois. Tuilleadh eolais ag glorningail.ie. Sign up now and declare your club support for the Irish language.